In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Snapchat account. Step 1. Click on the Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner of your Snapchat. It will take you to your profile. Step 2. Click on the gear icon on the top right corner and it will take you. Just remember, Snapchat will deactivate your account only for 30 days. Then it will start the account deletion process. It will take another 30 days. So if you log into your Snapchat account within the next 60 days, you will be able to reactivate your account. Otherwise, your Snapchat account will be deleted. Congratulations, you have just learned how to hide your Snapchat account. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And I hope to see you next time.